Hey guys, it's Javier with NINZAN. I just want to welcome you out to the Arbor project. We're all wrapped up here. We have been for several weeks. We came back to shoot the final video to show you our progress. And let me walk you through a couple of the details here. All right, so the whole idea of this arbor / privacy wall was to create privacy. That bank of windows there is the kitchen, big farm sink in the center. And so the owner, when they're standing at the farm sink and looking out, they wanted to create something private. They wanted something a little monumental, big scale, something natural. So we used Russian red cedar. We also used stacked fieldstone, concrete caps on top of our bases. This is a design build project, meaning we started from, there was nothing here. We started with some inspiration images and we created some sketches, and we moved into SketchUp. We did a 3D model to really show how it was going to come together, all the joinery and the connections, and how the louver wall worked with the connection into the posts. And then from there we went into construction documents, and then we built it. And this is the result. So the posts really stand on their own. We used a moment post base by Strong Tie Simpson, which is embedded into cast in place concrete piers that sit on top of footings. And so this actually stands on its own. This radius cut corbel is mainly a decorative element to kind of give ourselves a sense of pattern and scale. The post base is concealed below the concrete cap. And what we actually did is we created a little shadow line here. This is actually for drainage. So water comes down, goes into the hole. We pitched the top of our concrete cast piers. And so water goes in, it sheds down. We've got a weep system behind the stack stone. So that allows the water just to go down into the ground. On the back side of the columns, you'll notice on the front we have these up and down post lights. And to feed low voltage wire, we actually ran a PVC conduit inside of our cast pier from the ground up. We actually dadoed our vertical, which is a 4x6 member here. So it dados up, wire comes through. It's all concealed. You can barely see the PVC under here. So that was a real clean solution. We did Western red dowels. We actually, Dave, one of our guys, turned the rods, dowels on his lathe, and then we cut them up and we glued them in. So they appear to be like a plugged through tenon. They're really just decorative, and they cover our structural timber screws. So this is the neighbor side of the privacy wall. And to create a little more architectural interest, we went with these cross braces. They're half flapped here, so this is flush, semi-flush. We didn't want to create something that the neighbor wouldn't enjoy. So I think we did a pretty good job. Our client wanted to grow these bougainvilleas up onto the arbor, and over time let it kind of take over and create a thick screen. But after we got done building it, he thought it was so beautiful that they decided to keep it off the arbor. So they're going to be training the bogies to kind of grow in a layer in front, and we're going to try and keep it off of the arbor. So that's the project. I want to thank you guys for following along. Go to our YouTube channel. We'll put a link in the description. The hashtag is #LindrickArbor. On all the social media accounts, you'll be able to see progress videos and photographs of the project from start to finish. And hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as me and my team did. So thanks.